Intel entered into a deal with Amazon that may prove consequential for the cloud computing and microchip development. By powering Amazon's cloud services with its latest chips, Intel plans to enhance performance but also optimize efficiency for a vast array of cloud services and applications. The partnership bolsters Amazon Web Services, enabling businesses to leverage advanced computing capabilities for everything from machine learning to data analytics. What's particularly intriguing is how Intel chips are designed to handle complex workloads while reducing energy consumption. This is a critical success factor as both companies strive for sustainability. TF is paying close attention to how this partnership could influence competition in the cloud market, especially against players like AMD, NVIDIA, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. With Intel's innovation and Amazon's expansive reach, we might be witnessing the dawn of a new era in cloud computing where speed and efficiency go hand in hand. This deal embodies the importance of tech collaboration and facilitates future advancements that could redefine cloud infrastructure.